Next, fifth question, simple question. What he says is, one bacteria is there. It is seen by enlarged. Why? Because bacteria will be very small in size. We cannot see it. So it is enlarged. How much it is enlarged? 50,000 times it is enlarged. When it is enlarged for 50,000 times, then it shows 5 centimeters as a length on a paper, or 5 centimeters it shows. So he is asking what is actual length. And in a second question, if it is enlarged for 20,000 times, what would be the length? That is the question. Simple. When we enlarge for more number of times, the length will be more. If we enlarge for less number of times, the length will be less. So it is in directly proportional. Indirectly proportional, the ratio will be constant. Let us apply that formula and find it. So what he says, if it is enlarged for 50,000 divided by, it will be of 5 centimeters. So if it is not enlarged, then it will be only one time enlarged, that is original size. Original it will be of 1 unit. It is enlarged to 50,000 times. So original we will take it as 1 time. Then what will be the length? That is the first question. So or we will take it as x. So we will be getting the x to this side and this 5 centimeters to this side. So or what we will do is directly in a single step, 1 by x equal to 50,000 divided by 5. So when we cancel, 5 ones are 5 10,000s are. So 1 by x equal to 10,000. X to this side and 10,000 to this side. So x equal to 1 by 10,000. If you didn't understand, let us do it. X to this side, so it will become 1 equal to 1 by 1. This x 1 by x equal to 10,000. So I am taking this x to this side, so it will become into x. So this x has gone. So only 1 is left. So this is equal to 1. Other side I am writing. Okay. So 10,000 goes to other side. 1 by 10,000. 1 by 10,000. So this is 1 by 10 to the power of 4 zeros. So 10 to the power of 4. Or we can write it as 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. We have already learned in powers and exponents. When the power is in the denominator, when it goes above, it will change to negative symbol. This is the first one. Second one, what he says is, if it is enlarged for 20,000 times, then what will be the length? See, 50,000, second one. 50,000 by 5 centimeters. This ratio is equal to now 20,000 times. 20,000 times. Then what will be the length? What will be the length L? This is the question. So we will take this L to this side. So L will be here. So this 20,000 will be here only. This L I have taken to this side. And this 50,000 to down here. This is here now. When it goes to other side, it will go to denominator. So 50,000. This 5 to other side. This is in the denominator. When it goes to other side, it will go to numerator. 5, 10,000. 1 by 10,000 same. This one only. 1 by 10,000. This one. Then 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Cancel. So remaining will be 2 centimeters. So the answer will be L equal to 2 centimeters. So 10 to the power of minus 4 and L equal to 2 centimeters. That is when actual size will be 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters, and when it is enlarged for 20,000 times, then its size will be 2 centimeters.